बच्चा है, ठीक है, पहले इसका ब्रेन को तोड़ता है, इसका दिमाग पहले तोड़ेगा ना, इसको आराम से जीत सकता है। और दिमाग वीक हो गया, मेरे को इंडिया के लिए जान लेने के लिए रेडी हूँ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
Defending bantamweight MFN champion, the Indian Rhino, Changran Koren!
Here we go, round number one. Dunt in the white trunks, champ in the black and gold. A lot of questions are going to be answered here, my friend.
Again, a story of opposite stances. Oh.
Still a little hurt because Ravindra Dutt landed at least 20 or 30 big shots, and props to him. And again, man, there we go. We've never seen Changran Koren being Changran Koren because it's like a verb at this point.
He's getting outclassed
He's
now.
He's flattened him out in front of his corner, and now big shots here. Big shots. Changran Koren is in trouble early on in this round. It's just the first round. He's taken so much punishment. And that's what we said. I talked about it. Wrestlers like Changran Koren have not spent. They don't like to be on their backs. This is a different position for him. It's different to see how he's going to react. And Dunt is having his way with him because the amount of punishment he's taken.
Let me tell you something.
Oh, this fight is going to be over anytime now. The kind of punches. Referee Mark Goddard.
Ravindra's team actually manifested this. They made a rap video wherein Ravindra is knocking out Changran Koren.
It's not over yet. It's not over yet. He's still in it. But Changran Koren has taken so much damage that Ravindra Dutt he's holding on to the right hand, and he's trying to get up, but Ravindra Dutt is trying to choke him out. I know what he's trying to do. The desperation
Looks rocked.
Mate, this is the damage. This is the damage quotient now, because he's not sprightly. You can see he's flat-footed right now, and he's not moving as well. I mean, you never know. It's too early to tell. This is the championship fight, and Ravindra Dutt is ready for 5 rounds. But it's the amount of damage that Changran took in the first round. Just missed with that counter right, and that's what caused the slip back and forth.
That could have been over.
Man, it was a tight DAS attempt, but that was it. He lost position. He was too high on the back, gave up position, but Ravindra Dutt doesn't seem to be too affected by this. Those elbows again, I think, Changran it's the amount of punishment he's taking.
Moment. Changran definitely is
precisely,
damaged.
that's the right way of saying it.
And
damaged.
that's the joke that he logged in.
He
and
chopped
he
in
gave
the DAS.
Gentlemen, this is the main event, and it's going to decide who walks home.
It just matters now who has more in the gas tank. Shots that the human skull can take.
Oh,
another big one. Another big hand. Ravindra Dutt opening up. Just missed a big shot. Oh, he's hurt. He's out.
This could be
he is out. We have a new champion. Ravindra Dutt has pulled off the upset. And the Soma team is going
could be the biggest upset in the history of Indian MMA.
I talked about it. I said that this will be the first real test for Changran Koren, and he saw it. He was beaten. His camp that started it all. Just take a look at the replays, because Ravindra Dutt did it. He did it. He said it, and Rahul, like you said, he manifested it, and he made it happen.
So Ravindra manifested.
I mean, he choked
like Superman versus Superman.
Stellar performance. It was a stellar performance.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Mark Goddard called the stop of this fight after 54 seconds of round 3 for your winner by knockout and the new MFN Bantamweight World Champion, Ravindra Dutt!
I say this over and over again. Both champions will never retain. Never.
Let's hear it for the champion, Ravindra